This is the modern framework for teams in 2026 trying to leverage AI just beyond using just ChatGPT. It gives the AI that they're using, whether it's Chat or it's Claude, so much more power, like so many more capabilities. And that's why it can result in a multiple X, increase in efficiency in your time spent doing tasks. This is going to be a really quick demo on me using a few that I built. Let's check it out. All right, so here I am in my IDE. This is VS Code, and I like to use Claude Code from this space. So I am going to initiate 3 conversations at once. We'll put these right here, and then let's do one more right here. Awesome. So we have 3. All right. So here's my set of instructions over here. So if we go back to, right, so these are the skills, right? So I'll go right here and I will say something like, please generate a thumbnail for a YouTube video that I am creating where I teach a marketing agency how to use AI skills. All right, we'll say bypass permission so that it can do everything that it needs to do. And then I will also do this right here. I have an onboarding transcript from a call that I recently just had with a new client. It is called onboarding_transcript.json. Please pass it through let's see what it's called, the onboarding triage skill. All right. Please create a new meta ads campaign for a company called Neeland Solutions. They do AI audits and train company employees on how to use AI more efficiently. All right, so let's change these all to bypass permissions. So this demo is specifically for a showcase of this, right? So these are chat interfaces that everyone's used to, right? Using ChatGPT or using Claude or using Gemini. It's the same interface, right? I have conversations with this same space, but I'm adding skills and I'm adding a knowledge base. I have skills right here. I'm only using 10 or so. And then I have knowledge base, which for me is really simplified. There's just brand and headshots and logos. And then within some of the skills, there's an additional knowledge base. Like for the LinkedIn Ghostwriter, I have, voice examples that are part of my knowledge base. But these are all set to bypass permission. We are just going to start executing all 3 of these at the same time. So again, these are chat bots, just like Claude, just like ChatGPT, but we're giving them the additional capabilities of skills paired with a knowledge base, which is my stuff, my company. So let's see what it comes up with. And these skills, anyone can build them. I built each of these skills just with natural language, just saying, hey, I want to build a skill that does this thing, right? So our client onboarding skill right now, it's reading that entire transcript. If we take a look at it, it's a pretty long transcript. This is in JSON format, but these are each part of the conversation. Oh yeah, I can do that. Oh, exactly. We're just putting a camera, right? That's just the conversation that they had. All right. So it's reading that entire document. This is over here. It's generating the AI thumbnails, and I have the skill set to automatically open up the folder when it's done. And it did it right here on my other screen. But here we go. Revolutionize your AI agency. Unlock advanced skills. Your agency with AI. Or we have this one right here. Teaching agencies master AI skills, AI marketing masterclass. So, I mean, it's cheesy, but that's how I have it set up to be. I'm not a YouTube expert, but I can adjust that skill to change whatever style. Hey, I want a different style for my thumbnails, but these work for me. And then it also prints a description for my YouTube video that I'm creating. All right, let's see what we have over here. Oh, it's just asking daily budget of $20. We're getting leads. The zip code is 85296. The landing page is neelandsolutions.com. Don't add any creatives yet. And no target audience specified. All right, let's see how that does. All right, it looks like for this marketing team, we have 9 tasks for the graphic designers, 14 tasks for the ads team, and 10 automation specialists, right? So let's take this out. All right, let's change the look of that so it looks a little bit sharper. Perfect. Awesome. Now we have a breakdown of all of the tasks for all of the different teams so that I can automatically just send these to ClickUp. That's actually an additional step that I can add to this skill where it automatically uploads it. All right, let's see. It misspelled my name because I've never made an ad for neelandsolutions.com using this method before, but if I had that in my knowledge base, we'd be ready to go. And it already calculated it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Meta Ads Manager and see what it came up with. As you might be able to tell, I'm not an expert with, Facebook ads, but I think I know just enough to get a skill like this up and running. And let's see what we've got. We'll go to campaigns. Perfect. Neeland Solutions lead generation. So this is what it just created. And this, I think, is a showcase of the power. We automatically generated some images that are of me on brand. We did triage so that when I'm communicating or when an account manager at a marketing agency has a bunch of information that they talk about on a call, they don't have to sit there and think, well, how should I articulate this to the automations team? We already build that skill with the automations team so that they know exactly, so that they can specify exactly how the account manager should communicate, and we can incorporate that into the skill. And then we're saving probably 100 clicks here with this Meta Ads Builder. It just automatically generated it, and it can get as complex as we want it to get. But this is a showcase of the modern AI framework where I have this repository that everyone on my team can have specialized versions of this same. It's just a folder, right? It's just a folder on my computer. We'll pull it up right here. It's the exact same thing. We can just share this folder, right? And anyone can use these tools on the team, and something that would normally take me 2 hours. I don't know how to make thumbnails. Takes me 15 seconds. Reading through and thinking about and communicating well, the time save here is actually just, I don't have to go back and forth with the graphic design team or the ads team for 2 hours trying to figure out exactly what the client wants. And then over here, I just get to work in one space where I'm saying, yeah, do this. Yeah, do this. Set the budget to this. And all right, let's create a new budget for the next client. Oh my goodness. The time savings for a team of this size, 15, 20 people, it's amazing. And each one of them just needs a Claude membership you can even just do it under a team umbrella, the Claude team plan. Each one just has their $20 a month plan, but everyone's saving really, really big time. So this is the the modern small team 2026 framework for using AI tools, especially for an agency that's between 10 and 20 people.